Let's go, everyone. Today I'm super excited to be unboxing this new diploma frame. So this is a Jostens diploma frame from UC San Diego, University of California, San Diego. Just got out of the box. It says, "Congrats, grad, enjoy your new frame by Jostens. A celebration of your achievements." Pretty cool. So when I graduated, didn't have the money for one of these diploma frames, but now that it's been a while, it's time to splurge, get one of these fancy frames. It has UCSD library up top. And then, yeah, at first I thought these diploma frames were like more corny, but now I'm like, hey, it's a good memory of good times. So it came shipped in a cardboard box. It's really nice looking. So well protected here. It had like foam up top, so it doesn't look like I was concerned about damage and stuff like that, but let's get this out. It looks really well packaged, sealed, nice wood. Try cutting this more. There we go. It's so big for my table. Let me cut up here. All right. The big reveal. Wow. Oh, this is super nice. I think it's mahogany wood. Put your diploma here and have a nice image of the library that you spent all your time in. Oops, sorry. So yeah, this is super cool. Let me know what you think of this in the comment section below. Hope you're doing well. Congratulations to those who graduated from this university. All right, everyone, take care. I got another one of these, a matching one from another school coming up, so check that out in a future video. All right, everyone, take care. Catch you for the next unboxing video. Later.